repetitive and ritualistic behavior sometimes drags us away from our journey. This I have experienced personally. And most of the human beings that live on this planet Earth, most of the time engage in a lot of repetitive and ritualistic behavior, which does not bring the results that is intended in the progressive journey. When I come into the beach, I recognize that every day is different. When I come to the beach is different every day. Not the same beach that was yesterday. The sound of the waves are different. The speed of the waves are different. The stretch of the beach is different. And the way the beach, the flatness and the way it is completely different to the previous day. And that always teaches me the fresh day, a new day, new things. And I'm really have moved away many of the repetitive and ritualistic things which I've been used to doing earlier. Because every human being have a significant power to create things. We have awesome and significant power compared to the animals. We have significant power to create things. And when we don't use it, we are engaged in the ritualistic and the repetitive behavior. And if you are begin to understand your journey well, your thoughts and your thinking, there is innovation that is coming to you. Thoughts and ideas that emerging to you. And you see the challenges in the world. You see the issues and the problems and difficulties in every frontier, whether it's economic, whether it's social, whether it's cultural, whether it's whatever the area or the business. And you see multiple challenges day by day emerging. We need to treat every day a fresh and a new day and come up with fresh solutions for each day. Don't waste time in engaging in the ritualistic and the repetitive behavior. Try to change the course of your direction. In the journey, to enrich that, you need to bring that freshness. And you and I have a significant skill and the ability and the power to create. Not big things, but sometimes small things in a big way. That's what we should begin. When you can't walk step by step, then you try to walk inch by inch at least. If you try to do big things in a big way, it may not be possible. But if you try to do a lot of small things in a big way, your journey will be enriching. Ladies and gentlemen, remember that every one of us have a significant power to create things. Not to be engaged in repetitive behavior and the ritualistic things which rob us of the enrichment of our journey.